Here we're going to tie the mop fly. We will be using the mop material that you have in front of you. Simply cut right from one of the mops. I'll be glad to show you here in a little bit. We'll also be using the size 10 hook, same hook as you used on your McFly foam egg, and also the same thread, which is a 6/0 in red. Here you want to start just behind the eye, just like you did your other hook, your other thread from yesterday, all the way down. Bring the thread back up to the eye. Cut your tag end. Now you want to get your mop material. You'll see how you have them cut there in front of you. There's two ends. There's one at the factory end. You won't see anything, any frays or anything. The other end is the end that we are going to be tying with. It's the end that you cut off from your mop. What you're going to do is you're going to take a few of this. You can see how this stuff just frays apart. We are going to pick some of this material out. Keep picking. Some of it's a little sticky. It sticks to your fingers until you get a little strand like this, and you'll start to see like 4 or 5 fibers sticking out of your mop material. Now what you want to do with these fibers are, you want to get them in between your fingers and just give it a nice little twist together. Roll them around and it'll form a nice little rope. Lay the rope that's coming out of the mop onto your hook, just behind your hook eye. As you lay it onto your hook shank, hold it on with this finger, your other 2 fingers, and you can see how my mop is right behind the eye of the hook. Get your thread and wrap 2 wraps behind the eye of the hook. You can see right there is where I tied onto it. Wrap your mop material, that strand or that rope, all the way down to where you stopped your thread base. Bring it back up, halfway up, and when you hang your thread, you will see it hanging between the point and the barb that you crushed into your vise. Pull your mop backwards, how it's laying like this. Pull it backwards, just above where the thread is. Fluff the mop. Give it once, twice, 3 times, just like we did the egg, right over top of each other. Pull your mop material back to your hook eye. Give it 3 wraps. Use your half hitch tool and finish off the mop. Snip your thread, and there you have it, the simple mop fly. Have fun.